Whenever there is orange season, we eat a lot of oranges. So whenever you buy them, don't throw the orange peels. Rather, soak them in vinegar, or else you can even soak it in half vinegar and half water. Somewhat like this. Today I am using just the vinegar. Fill it till top, close it, and keep it in a dark spot for at least 2 weeks. Once it's ready, it will look like this. You can strain this, and this yellow sweet smelling liquid can act as a spray for multi-purpose usage. You can clean any kind of surfaces with this liquid. You can clean your microwave and also the strongest stain on your cooking range. Spray the area and leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And after that you can clean it. Just look at this. All the dirt will come off easily. To know more hacks from this homemade liquid spray, watch the video till the end and subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. You can even use this orange vinegar liquid for dirty and greasy walls. It will become clean in no time. Spray your toilets and leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can just flush it. See how clean it looks. Next, it even does wonders on your glass windows or doors and even mirrors. Just spray and try cleaning it. For plants, it acts as natural pest repellent. The strong citrus smell, acidity repels ants, aphids and some insects. Works more as a deterrent, not a killer. Dilute it and use it. Works like a natural herbicide and also useful for plants that prefer slightly acidic soil like herbs and some veggies.